Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews and in-depth analysis of the best products on the market. Today, we've got something that every household needs, the Arbitroise Household Indoor Foldable Drying Rack. Trust me, this is the best clothes drying rack you can get your hands on. Let's jump right into it. The Arbitroise Foldable Drying Rack is designed to make your laundry days a breeze. It's not just any drying rack, it's the ultimate solution for all your clothes drying needs. Here's why you need to consider this for your home. First, let's talk about the specs. This drying rack measures 40 inches in height, 28.8 inches in width, and 14.2 inches in depth. That's a generous drying space, folks. And it's not just for clothes. You can use it for sheets, towels, and more. What sets this rack apart is its high-quality construction. It's made of thick tubes and strong plastic, making it incredibly durable. With a weight of just 4.85 pounds, it's lightweight and easy to move around, whether you're using it indoors or outdoors. But wait, there's more. The Arbitroise drying rack is foldable. You can easily fold and store it in compact spaces, making it ideal for small laundry rooms, balconies, apartments, and even dormitories. It's a real space saver. Now, let's talk about stability. This rack has a stable structure, so you don't have to worry about it collapsing while in use. It can bear the weight of your hanging items, and that's a big deal when you've got a load of laundry to dry. But here's the kicker, it's expandable. You can adjust its size to fit your drying needs. Need more space? No problem. Just extend it. It's like having a customizable drying solution right in your home. The Arbitroise drying rack comes in different options, including a folding rack and a 4-tier horses rack, so you can choose the one that suits your needs best. Plus, it's available in a clean, classic white color that complements any decor. Now, you might be wondering about the price. Typically, this fantastic drying rack retails for $32.99. But guess what? You can grab it right now for just $29.69, saving you $3.30. So, whether you need to dry your clothes, sheets, or towels, whether you live in a spacious home or a cozy apartment, the Arbitroise drying rack has got you covered. It's the best clothes drying rack on the market, and it's ready to simplify your laundry routine.